Arthur K. Hodges, second class. So we would fire them up, take off and go. And we put, it was on fuel, and you could really put anything in there because it was diesel, park diesel. And so we had to do that. We had to be very careful because when you're taking off and that, you can actually blow that thing back out if you did the wrong thing. So that was the first thing. That was very thing. You could blow the whole front out if you didn't do the right thing. So you got that, and then we had all kinds of different things for the blowers and stuff. And I got to tell you this, I lost this pretty good because of that. And then they didn't give me anything. And also, we got, what do you call that? It's new now. I have it, but it's not out yet. Asbestos, well, I mean asbestos, we were putting that on pipes. And when we did that with our bare hands, that doesn't go away. So, I'm gonna skip the rest of that because then I'm okay. And it never really come out too really bad, so. The snipes were probably about 8. Yeah, there's Kenny. Trying to ask names, because this is a long time ago we were in there. But Kenny, who passed now, you know. Most of the guys that I was with are gone. But we had a chief that's in charge. There's 2 boiler rooms in there. We had 2 chiefs. So 2 chiefs, and we had a first class that pretty much ran the thing. And as I said, it was just, you have to get used to it. And when you first go on, you go into the gully and you gotta make do all that stuff like that. I would say like maybe all day and maybe 8 hours there. And the shifts were like 4 when you do take them. And that would be later on at night. And I always can remember the guy named Tally, he was the cook. And when you did, you'd have the fireman, another fireman hold it, and I'd go up or he'd go up, and we'd bring down some, whatever they had to eat, then that stuff. The friendship was great, you know. We still were talking to them and seeing them, and a lot of them gone, but you know, that's a good part of it, you know. Yeah, they're like brothers on that ship.